renounce the fix. Gender-wise, and I want to honor that gender really is fluid. That's the nature. There's biological sex, cultural gender, and then in between that, even it's so. So I'm just going to speak. We'll say masculine, feminine, but I will say people born into a pink blanket are given these rules. That doesn't mean they follow them. It doesn't mean they're immutable. People born into a blue blanket are given these rules. Doesn't mean they're immutable. Doesn't mean people follow them. Nobody has to follow them. It's more fun when you don't. But that being said, the rules men are given with women is to fix them. So the rules for women are to be broken, right? So it's somehow there's some level of discontent, confusion. Women love the confusion one, right? Can you figure this out for me? Or incapacity. And so when we want attention, we turn up the incapacity, the confusion, the I don't know, the I have to just quit here, the defeatism, as a means of getting attention, because that's at a very ground level, some say biological, but I'll just say culturally, programmed in. And I don't know if I've told you this story, but this one time I called this guy with my problems, and he said, "You don't have to have a problem to call me. Changed my whole life. It changed my life. Oh wait, I can call you with turn on. I can call you happy. I don't have to lure you in. Oh, that's great." Now, women, on the other hand, are trained to see men as projects, to fix men, right? We are taught that men are dumb and fundamentally like these fumbling, bumbling guys, and they need us to fix them. But what ends up happening is then all of a sudden you hear these women who say, "I feel like I'm a mother, I'm mothering him," and they lose their turn on. They lose their turn on, right? And so we begin to worry about guys. Oh, he's not feeling good, and all these things. There usually are projections onto them, rather than really lighting up the kind of turned on masculine power that have some totally self-sustaining. So quit the fix.